What is going on, you guys? It's your boy, Mr. Draken here. Today, I was in math class, and the problem that we had on the board when we first walked in was right here. And this problem confused me pretty much completely. And I was so annoyed by how little sense it made that I just want to rant about it. So from here this was what was given to us. One square took 4 toothpicks. That's what that means, 4 toothpicks right there. So that's what I need for one square. And then we were given this one. So apparently for this one we needed 16 toothpicks. Okay. Which already is confusing because we see 5 boxes there. But so I started to figure, okay, maybe we just ignore the middle box. We just say 4 is in this one, 4 is in this one, 4 is in this one, and 4 is in this one. That's 16. That makes pretty good sense. And then we went to this one. This was the third one that was given to us. So I decided, okay, if we just keep going by that same pattern, then we would have 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 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 and here. Once again, this box doesn't matter. However, when we add all those up, like this, together, then our total comes out to be 32, not 28. 32 total is what we have here. I cannot draw on this thing. 32 is here, so how does that make sense if we have 32? Because if we have 16 here, you just assume that we cut out the middle, but even if we cut out the middle here, we have 32 and not 28. That makes no sense. This was my face the entire time. Right here. This was my reaction. Now, up here, you can see we have a formula. This formula was meant to try and help us, I'll be honest. It completely confused me. But let's try to run through it. So, T means is standing for the toothpicks in this particular case. So, the toothpicks equal 4 plus 12 times P minus 1. So, if we would just do the distributive property, then we get 12P minus 12. And then we re-add the plus 4 equals T. Okay, so what we're saying here is 12. Jesus. Let me erase that because that's not very good. I have never used this thing before, by the way. Okay, so we have 12P. So we're saying that, and I believe P stood for the pieces. So 12 pieces minus 12 plus 4 equals the toothpicks. So what we would really be saying here is the 12 pieces, and then we take away 12 and add 4. It makes no sense, right, to me. If someone can explain this right here to me, that'd be great, because the formula did not help. And in the end, what we were trying to look for is this design right here was considered design 1. This one right here was considered design 2. What we were looking for was design 6, okay? And since we were looking for 6, everyone figured that we would add a block onto each side 3 times to reach, actually, right? No, actually, we were looking for the 5th design. So, yeah, let me erase the 6. We were looking for the 5th design, which in that case we would add 3 blocks to each side. And so what would end up happening is you would actually have 5 blocks on each side, which meant that you were going to have 20 blocks per each side. 20 on each side. And since there were 4 sides, you were going to multiply it by 4. That's what I'm thinking. And so you're going to get 80. However, 80 ended up not being right. The real answer, in the end, according to everyone else understood this, was 64. This was the answer. This may have been hard to follow through, but I just felt the need to rant about it. It's very quick, it's not typical video I make, but it got on my nerves that bad because I don't get it. If someone could explain it to me, if you just ask questions in the comments, I can furthermore describe it, because I have it here on a diagram. I took notes of this stuff for this video. I was appalled by this. So if you have any questions and you want to try to figure it out, let me know, but I can't figure it out. Okay, this is me. This is going to be me until further notice. Always. Alright? And that's really it. That's all I got for you. Okay. Yeah, I've lost my words. This problem, I do not get it. I do not have any words. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want. Oh, as always, I'll be back, my Terminators.